Hello class. Today's learning goal is I can find the average rate when given two related quantities. So let's get started. A rate is a ratio relating two related quantities. For example, we have miles per hour, that's a standard one for speed. Yards per carry, you can see that often in football. Students per class, dollars per hour, points per game. So we use these pretty regularly in our everyday lives. Our first question is Mary typed 280 words in 5 minutes. What's her typing speed rate? Okay. So she was able to do 280 words in 5 minutes. What we want to do is find her words per minute rate. Okay. Now, that's because the number of words she types depends on how many minutes that she typed. So this 280 is our dependent variable, and it depends on how many minutes, which is 5 minutes. So our independent variable goes on the top, our dependent one goes on the bottom, right here. So 280 words per minute. Remember the word per means divide. So 280 words per 5 minutes. So we need to divide 280 by 5. When we do that, we find it's 56 words per minute.
Speaking.
Per minute. There we go. So if she does 56 words per minute, how many words would she type in 7 minutes? So we have our rate 56 words per minute. So what we have to do is we need to find out if she does 56 words per minute, that means each minute she does 56 words, that by the second minute she does 112 words. We need to figure out how many words she does in 7 minutes. We times 56 by 7. So 56 times 7, we find out that that's going to be 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 2, or excuse me, carry the 4. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 4 is 39. So she will be able to type 392 words. Be sure to have units. Try this one on your own. Joe ran 100 meters in 12.5 seconds. How fast is he going in meters per second? Go ahead. What you should have found was that 100 meters divided by 12.5 seconds is 8 meters per second, because 12.5 goes into 100 8 times. Let's try another one. A technician took 3 hours to complete a job. He charged $84 for a service. Assuming that there's no service charge, what was his hourly rate? Go ahead and try this one on your own. So again, we do $84 divided by 3 hours, because that's how many hours he worked. And hours is the independent variable, and dollars is the dependent variable. So $84 per 3 hours results in $28 per hour, because 84 divided by 3 is 28. If he took another job, if another job took 4 hours, there we go, to complete, how much money did he charge for the 4-hour job at the same rate? So we know that he charged $28 per hour with no service charge. So you do $28 per hour. What do we have to multiply this by? We need to multiply this by how many hours his job took, which which is 4 hours. Okay. Which, when we do that, we find that this is going to be $112 because 4 times 28 is $112. At this point, you can start the Google summary form. Go ahead.